Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create new folders in your pages on Notion. So let us dive right into it and show you how to do it. So head over to your Notion project, like for example the page. Let me go with that one here for demonstration purposes. And as you can see, I created already a folder here. So let me show you the entire process step by step. For the sake of this tutorial, let me convert that section here with that text into a folder. To do that, highlight the heading as well as the text you would like to convert into a folder and press Ctrl X to delete it and also to copy it to your clipboard. So here where it says heading, enter the command /page, just like that, or simply type in PAG or something like that, and you will see the list of filtered results below with the page at the very bottom. So create a new page. That is going to create a new page. So here guys, simply press Ctrl V to copy and to paste your copied heading with your text, just like that, into that new page. You may rename the given heading from section 2 or any other title or heading to folder, and let me name it folder 2 because I've already created a first one, and that's basically it. And after that you will see that feature here at the top with the new page as well as your newly created folder with your text. So if I head back to the previous page and click on it and browse through it, I will see that link here to that newly created folder. If I hover my mouse over it, I will see that preview here, and if I click into it, I will be redirected to that new folder with its content here. So here you may add more items, more values to that page, and yeah, navigate through the parent page as well as the folders that are linked here within your page. And that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.